Behind your mask, a secret smile hidden in the night. As darkness wraps around us, my heart begins to race. Tonight's a night of magic, and we're caught in its embrace. Every time your black dress sways, the wind whispers mystery. Beneath the mask, who could you be? Curiosity stands, brings you close to me. For just a light, let's be wild and free in the shadows of Halloween. Underneath the silver moon, we'll dance until it's dawn. Lost in the stream, our endless masquerade. Tonight under Halloween sky. Candles flicker, casting spells. Shadows melt into wine. In your eyes, a secret kept only for this time. Before the break of morning light, steal my heart away. Caught in the sweet temptation, I'm under your spell. Every time the veil flows wide, and night reveals its fantasy. Beneath your mask, I see your eyes, drawing near but always out of reach. For just a light, let's forget the world in the mystery of Halloween. Underneath the silver moon, our hands will intertwine. Lost in the night, our endless masquerade. Tonight under Halloween sky. Before the pumpkins lose their glow, will the spell be broken? The dawn feels so far